So we were talking about different type of the gases. Now you understand one thing. The ozone gas, the carbon dioxide gas, carbon monoxide gas, these all are different type of the gases which covers the total atmosphere. So usually in the morning we realized ozone. Actually ozone gas is in very small proportion and we need to see it. Instead of that, I could say we could realize it. The gas absorb ultraviolet rays, ultraviolet effect of sun, so we can realize light. But within some past years, we have felt sunburn effect on our skin. Why it happened, you think? Sunburn means burn our skin by the sun rays. It is called ultraviolet rays effect. How it happened? Because the ozone layer was almostly cracked down. So due to that, what was happening? The heat, the light and ultraviolet rays effect were also coming to earth and were affecting to us in deep proportion. So we were in need to save ourselves. So we were using different type of the sun lotions and so many things to protect our skin. But the real solution was make the ozone layer again, make it complete, so our layer of atmosphere could become again better. So now you think, how can we fill this ozone layer? Whenever you move from your house in the morning for walking, you can feel freshness, and that freshness is only due to the ozone layer is realized in the morning. As the day increase, the proportion of the carbon is realizing more, because the layer of the ozone is very thin. So in daytime we cannot realize, but as the time pass we can realize it. Am I right? Okay. Now we understand that at which places we can fill this ozone layer. The time I said in morning we can fill. The places I say open ground and open space of land near the sea coast, we can fill this ozone layer in better way. Okay, now here you understand one thing more. As I have told earlier about the proportion of gases, actual proportion of gases as given in your book is 78.03% nitrogen, oxygen 20.99%, means nearby 21. So I used oxygen 21, nitrogen 78, and then remain 1% is other gases, I said, but actual proportion is maybe 0.98%. So it comprises actual 100%, 78.03 nitrogen, 20.99 carbon and 0.98 other gases. So now you understand one thing. The nitrogen reduces intensity of oxygen. Second, water is most important component of atmosphere. See, these lines which I am saying now mostly useful in your one liner. So as the heat increase, the water will become vapor due to the evaporation process, right? Evaporate means convert the water into the vapor is called evaporation. Thereafter, this water will mix with the air and create the cloud. Creating the cloud by mixing the air and water, that process is called condensation. So the process to create the cloud, by cooling the vapor is called condensation. So here water can be seen in different forms. First, dew. Second, fog. Third, clouds. And fourth, precipitation. There are 4 forms of water. Again I say dew, fog, clouds and precipitation are realized, developed and created due to the process of condensation. Remember this thing which I have said. Okay, now what could be the effect of atmosphere on our life? Now I am explaining the second part. What could be the effect of atmosphere on our life? In other way, it could be asked as the uses of atmosphere for our life. I could say the effect of atmosphere is seen on human life in different way. For growing up crop and providing us food, the first use. Second one is affecting to our clothing method, because in winter we use sweaters, in summer we and sometime in summer and almost in monsoon we use umbrellas, right? So our lifestyle is being affected by atmosphere. Okay. Third is habitat. Habitat means shelter. Residences are also based on different atmospheric situation. See, in summer realized areas where summer realized more, we can see maximum proportion of terrace. Wherever in the desert region, the day are different, the night are different. In that area we can see the tents. Where the rainy season is more, we can see the sloppy shelter from the top for shedding the water. So different situation of the atmosphere create different residences for us. Okay. On color, which color effect with the which season, which situation of the temperature realized more, is the different. Okay. Economic activity we feel differently. We know that many dust particles are seen in atmosphere, is clearly seen. So we can say that spreading of sun rays is only become possible through these dust particles, because the light rays are reflecting directly to our eyes by passing of these particles. They are carrying the sun rays from here to there. So at all places we can see dust particles also. So here you remember one thing. These dust particles are useful for creating light and not to keep the all areas darker even at night, right? So it means sun rays, sunlight, all things are being reflected due to the dust particles on the surface of earth. Remember this. So now you understand one thing, that light of the sun stays at everywhere just due to dust particles. But also remember, these atmospheres are carrying, this atmosphere is carrying the waves. So our waves are passing from one to another place that create the sounds. So remember that we are able to listen different sounds due to the presence of atmosphere, and we can see the channels, we can listen the voice, we can enjoy the internet, everything by passing of the waves from one to another place. Is that clear? So here I discussed about atmosphere. Okay,